All right, how's it going, everybody? So, sorry I'm not here today. Today, you are going to be learning some more skills in Photoshop and how to do some essential things. Um, so, the first thing you want to do is open up Photoshop, right? Go over here to the magnifying glass and type in Photoshop. It will appear. Just press return on your keyboard, and mine's loading right now for me. So, but just as a reminder, just put in your Google password, and then it'll pop up a window to sign in with Google. Make sure you sign in with Google. So today, as mine loads here, it takes forever. Today is all about learning Photoshop, and they have a really good tutorial thing. So I'm going to move this over a little bit. Right here it says Take Interactive Tour. Yours should be right there. If it's not, you click Learn. I think it takes you to the same spot, but I think yours is all right here. Your screen might look a little different from mine. That's fine though. But click Take Interactive Tour. And you've seen this before. I keep telling you guys to close this, but it's this little learn window thing that pops up over here. And I kept telling you in the past, close that, get it out of the way. But today, you're going to actually use it. So keep this open today. Keep everything open that it opens for you.
Teachers, please.
Sorry about the
If
background.
you're involved in the parent meeting today after school in the library, will you please head down there right now so we can get started? Thank you.
Anyway, sorry about that. So do what it says in the tutorial. Real fun, real good way to learn. So it says, welcome to Photoshop. Okay, quickly read, press next. It says, and this will tell you what to do. You can read this too as well. In the layers, click eye icon. So what happens when you click the eye? It got rid of something. Cool. Press next. And just follow along. Click and drag the astronaut. Okay, that sounds kind of cool. Oh, wow, that's awesome. So move them around. Kind of just experience it all. When you feel like you got that down, go ahead and go to the next thing. And you're going to work your way through that first initial tutorial. It says lower the opacity, so that's turning that thing. Anyway, when you're going to work your way through, when you get to the very end, it'll basically bring you to the next tutorial, or you can go to all projects. You don't have to save these, by the way. If you want, you can, but I'm not going to save mine. The one that it starts with is the fundamentals one. Okay, this one right here. And then there's several other fundamental ones which you want to go through and just kind of work your way through them. If you've worked your way through those, try the one that's called Fix a Photo, try Make it. So there's all sorts of fun tutorials. They teach you some cool tricks. Add a person to an image. Like, that's awesome. So follow them along. Enjoy it. As long as you are working, you get points. I've told the substitute to write you down if you're just goofing off. So as long as you're working through the tutorials, you're going to get the points. You don't have to turn anything in on this unless you want to save it because it's awesome. On some of these, it lets you like go find your own image if you want. If you want to do that, that's fine. Anyway, okay, good luck. Hopefully you enjoy it.